Hi all, today I am going to give a review on a book which I recently read. It is Positively Teenage by Nicola Morgan. This book is designed to help adolescents navigate the often hectic teenage years with confidence and a positive mindset. So, talking about the author, Nicola Morgan is an acclaimed expert who have studied about teenage well-being. She also offers practical advice on wide range of topics. In this book, she told us about positively you, a positive attitude, positively healthy, positive mood, positive brain, positive about people, and a positive health. So, to make the long story short, I am only giving you a few key points. First of all, there are 8 main elements of teenage well being, and it is flourish. F is for food. We need to eat the right and healthy amounts of food with proper nutrients in it. And there is L. This stands for liquid. We need enough liquid for our body functioning and to hydrate ourselves. O is for oxygen. U is for use. So, use is we need to use our brain so that it can become sharper. There's also a statement use it or lose it. R is for relaxation. We need to be relaxed in any kind of situation. Doing some asanas and breathing practices can really help us. I is for interest. I'm not forcing you to do anything without interest. If you have interest in a particular thing, for example, art, you can take part in going into art classes, participating in art competitions, etc. S is for sleep. This is the most important thing. We need proper amounts of sleep, otherwise, our body functioning will be really poor and we can't even focus on the things which we want to learn. And H is for happiness. We should always stay happy in any kind of situation. Taking too much of stress at once is not at all good for us. Then she talks about our teenage brain. We actually have many stages of it. So the first one controls our temptations. The second one controls our feelings and responses. And the third one is understanding what someone else is feeling. Then we have a teenage body. No matter how you look, thin, fat, you have a big nose, you have a small nose, you don't have long hair. No matter however you are, you don't need to stress about it as your body parts are not in your control. It is by birth. And always remember this that no matter how you look, people always look for excuses and try to bully you. So here's a lifetime thing which you always need to remember. So when I was in 4th grade, there used to be a few various kind of kids in my class. One child was very fat and many people used to bully her to be fat. One girl was really thin. People used to bully her because she was too thin. One girl was short, one girl was tall. No matter how they look, what they wear, what kind of hair do they have, what's the shape of their nose, people and classmates always try to bully you and insult you. So forget about that. Next is about we need to focus on the things which we can control. Here is a quite common example which everyone must have faced in their life. So when you're writing an exam, you know that you're writing it really well and you're like, array, this is such an easy question, I can answer it so easily. So you write the answer and after you get the results or recheck your paper after you submitted it, and when you have the question paper with you, then you'll be like, array yaar, I did this question wrong, how can I think like this? So after you submitted the answer paper, there's nothing which you can do before you submitted it, yes, there are chances. The thing is in your hand, you can control it. So all the control is when you have the paper. After you gave it to your teacher, you lose that control. So there's no use of thinking about it after you gave the paper. So to conclude, I would like to say that Positively Teenage is a valuable resource which can be read by teenagers, parents, kids, pre-teenagers, etc. Thank you.